Next, 12th question from labor variances. 12th question from labor variances. From the data given below, calculate each of the three wage variances for the two departments, that is the department A and the department B. Okay. In this actual gross wages, that is 1968 and 1798 rupees. Next, standard hours produced 8000 and 6000 hours. These are the hours. It is also hours. Next, standard rate per hour is 0.30, that is 30 paisa, and if you come to department B, that is 0.35 paisa. Actual hours worked, it is 8200 and 5800 hours. Okay, that is only the one. Next, in this question, it is not given standard price, that is standard rate. Okay, in this question it's not given standard rate. That is standard rate we should be computed with divisible of total gross wages. Okay, that is actual gross, standard rate is given, actual rate is not given. Okay, in this question it is not given actual rate. Okay, that is actual rate we should be compute with actual gross wages divisible with 8200 of, that is actual hours worked. Okay, that's we can see now. That is department A, department B, that is standard hours, standard rate, actual hours, actual rate. Next, in this first one, department A, actual standard hours is 8000 hours, standard rate is 0.30 paisa. Next, actual hours, it is 8200 hours, actual rate is that should be multiplied with its given amount, that is 1968 divided by 8200 hours, then you will get actual rate equal to 0.24, actual rate equal to 0.24. Next, department B is equal to standard hours of department B 6000 hours, and the standard rate of department B 0.35 paisa. Next, actual hours equal to 5800 hours, and actual rate equal to, we should be, that is a wage, actual gross wages is given, this amount is given to employees for working of 5800, hence we should be divided, then you will get per hour of the wages, that is 1798 divided by 5800 hours. అంటే మనకి ఇప్పుడు 1798 రూపీస్ ఇచ్చాము, ఎన్ని గంటలు పని చేశాడు, 5800 అవర్స్ వర్క్ చేశాడు. కాబట్టి టోటల్ అమౌంట్ డివైడ్ బై నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ అవర్స్ చేశారనుకోండి, మీకు యాక్చువల్ రేట్ అనేది, అంటే యాక్చువల్ రేట్ పర్ అవర్ ఎంత అనేది వస్తుంది. దట్ ఈస్ 1798 divided by 5800. The per hour rate is 0.31. Okay, per hour actual rate is 0.31. Okay, with this information we should compute labor variances. In this question it's clearly mentioned should be compute any three wage variances. In this first one, labor cost variance, that is standard hours into standard rate minus actual hours into actual rate, which is equal to, first of all, department A equal to standard hours 8000 into standard rate 0.30 minus actual hours 8200 into 0.24, which is equal to 8000 into 0.3, which is equal to 2400 minus 8,200 into 0.24, that is 1968, which is equal to 432. It is favorable. It is favorable. Okay, it is favorable because of standard is more than actual. Okay, hence it is favorable. Next one, department B. Department B, which is equal to standard hours equal to 6,000 hours for department B into standard price 0.35 minus actual hours 5,800 into 0.31 of actual rate, which is equal to 2,100 minus 1798, which is equal to 302. It is also favorable. It is also favorable because of standard is more than actuals, hence it is favorable. అంటే మనం ఎస్టిమేషన్ చేసింది 2,100 రూపీస్, బట్ ఇట్ ఈస్ ఇంకర్డ్ ఓన్లీ 1,798 ఓన్లీ. కాబట్టి ఎస్టిమేషన్ చేసిన దానికంటే తక్కువ ఖర్చు అయింది కాబట్టి ఇట్ ఈస్ ఓకే, ఇట్ వి కాల్డ్ యాజ్ ఫేవరబుల్. ఓకే, నెక్స్ట్ వన్, లేబర్ రేట్ వేరియన్స్, దట్ ఈస్ యాక్చువల్ అవర్స్ ఇంటూ స్టాండర్డ్ రేట్ మైనస్ యాక్చువల్ రేట్. ఫర్ డిపార్ట్మెంట్ ఏ, actual hours for department A 8,200 into standard rate is 0.30 minus 0.24 is actual rate, that is 0.24, which is equal to 8,200 into 0.06, which is equal to 492 favorable. It is favorable. Next, for department B, that is actual hours equal to 5,800 into standard rate is 0.35 minus actual rate is 0.31, which is equal to 5,800 into 0.04. 0.35 minus 0.31 equal to 0.04, which is equal to 232 of favorable only. Okay, 232 is a favorable value. Okay, next is labor time variance equal to standard rate into standard hours minus actual hours. That is standard rate of department A. First we should be compute department A, that is standard rate equal to 0.30 into standard hours equal to 8,000 minus actual hours equal to 8,200, which is equal to 0.30 into minus of 200. Because of standard is less than actuals, it is minus, hence it is equal to 200 into 0.3, that is 60 is the adverse. Next, same as compute department B equal to standard rate of department B 0.35 into standard hours equal to 6,000 minus actual hours equal to 5,800, which is equal to 0.35 into, that is favorable of 200. Because of standard is more than actuals, hence it is favorable value. 200 into 0.35, which is equal to 70. 70 is the favorable. These are only the three labor variances. Okay, three wage labor variances. This is only the final solution.